Okay, Mr. Skrinky. So here it is. That took a ridiculous amount of work to achieve. The problem was this. This is your mounted hammer. It's a multi-part component, and it's supposed to, but despite being a multi-part component, one piece that was supposed to be one piece is broken. Those are the two hammers. They reset the two registers, and you can adjust them because you have to adjust the, let's do this. Because, anyway, so this is the hammer. Or they call it the mounted hammer, because it's the hammer and the cam setup underneath it. This was something that was a later thing. It replaced like pillar wheels and stuff like that. So sometimes in order to make sure that the faces contact the heart wheels of both of these at the exact same time, and also with the exact same clearance. If one is further in than the other, you're going to get a situation where one will go straight to zero, and one will kind of go like this, back and forth. You adjust it, there's a screw right here. It's like a countersunk screw. And the more you screw it down, the more these are forced apart. So you can adjust for those hammers. This one, it cracked underneath the screw. It takes a lot of use to do it. And I couldn't figure out when it came back why this hammer, I couldn't get the thing to sit properly. So anyway, I finally found one of those. It took forever. And but when it came in, I installed it. And then I found that installing a new hammer moved a whole bunch of other things. So I had to go back through and adjust a ton of stuff to make this work. There it is. I've run it for days with the chronograph, and we're fine. So that's going to be ready to come back to you. You can play with this as you see fit, but other than that, we are done. Thank you.